In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Dhgate. We'll walk through the full process from opening your account to getting paid so you can start selling with confidence. First, create your seller account. Head to the Dhgate Seller Center and click Register or Join Free. You can sign up using either your email or your phone number. Be sure to select a seller account during registration because buyer and seller accounts are different and you'll need the seller option to list products and receive payments. Next, verify your identity and business information. Dhgate requires this to prevent fraud. You may be asked to submit a government ID or passport, a business license if you're registering as a company, your contact details, and your bank or payout information. Make sure everything is accurate and clearly legible. Approval typically takes 1 to 5 business days, and providing complete documents speeds things up. Once you're approved, set up your seller profile, add a professional store name, upload a logo if you have one, and set your shipping origin, return policy, and processing time. Clear policies build buyer trust and reduce misunderstandings, so be specific about how long you need to prepare orders and how returns are handled. Now add your product listings. Go to Seller Center, then Product Management, and click Add New Product. Write a clear, keyword-rich title, choose the correct category, and upload real photos without watermarks. Include a detailed description, your price and minimum order quantity, the shipping method, and your processing time. Keep in mind that Dhgate prohibits branded or counterfeit items and other restricted products. Violating this can lead to penalties or account removal. Set your pricing and shipping strategy. Competitive pricing is key, so research similar listings. Choose shipping options that fit your audience, such as ePacket for budget-friendly delivery, or DHL and FedEx for faster service. Set fees clearly. Many buyers prefer free shipping, so consider including shipping costs in your item price. Publish and optimize your listings. After approval, your products go live. Improve visibility by refining keywords, using clear images, and offering bulk discounts where appropriate. Staying active and responsive helps your rankings on the platform. When orders come in, you'll receive notifications. You'll see the status move from paid to awaiting shipment. Ship within the handling time you promised. Pack items securely, ship with your chosen courier, upload a valid tracking number, and mark the order as shipped. Never use fake tracking that results in penalties. Communicate with buyers promptly, answer questions clearly, and resolve issues politely. Good communication leads to higher ratings and repeat business. Finally, get paid. Dhgate uses escrow, holding funds until the buyer confirms delivery or the protection period ends. Your payout is then sent to your linked bank account.